I am going out of town tomorrow for a couple of days, so this vlog is just me getting ready. I don't know if I'm the only one, but like the day before I go on a trip or go out of town, I need to clean everything, do laundry, and just have everything nice and done, if that makes sense. Right now, I just got back from running 5 miles, and my hair, I don't even remember when I washed it, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair because look what my hair is looking like. So I am gonna go ahead and wash it. And also, oh my gosh, it's really tangled right here. I got this new gel from Miss Jessie's that I'm excited to try, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair, and then I do need to just like do laundry, clean, and also I will show you guys what I'm packing. Okay, really quick before I shower, this is what my apartment looks like. It's actually not even really like messy or dirty at all. I just have breakfast, so I have to clean that up. I got this new scrub mommy that I'm gonna try, and then I am gonna clean out my fridge. I'm gonna like wash all of my pillowcases and sheets and stuff like that, and then I do need to clean my bathroom. There's just kind of some things that are thrown around, and I have a little bit of laundry, but it's really like not even messy at all. This is the new gel that I'm gonna try, the Jelly Soft Curls. Okay, so hair combo that I think I'm gonna try is Rizzo's Curls. This is their deep conditioner. I use it like a leave-in with my Jelly Soft Curls and see how it turns out. Okay, the curls are looking juicy. They feel moisturized. I'm gonna do the other half of my hair and then come back when I'm done, but so far it feels good. I can like, when I'm doing it and putting it in my hair, I can kind of like feel if it's gonna be moisturizing or not, and this feels like really nice. So be back once I finish this side. I'm taking a quick break to stretch. I just found the most viewed video on YouTube, and I have my little yoga mat. I'm definitely trying to start stretching every single day because I am not as flexible as I used to be, and getting back into running again is really hard on my body. So quick break. I'm probably going to do this one right here, daily 15-minute stretch. Okay, so I'm almost done cleaning. I started laundry, just finished mopping, dishes, everything's done except for laundry. Looking at my hair, I don't know if you guys can see, I kind of feel like those two products are not going to mix well just by the way that it's looking. It was feeling dry, so I put more of both of them in there, but let me see if you guys can. It's kind of hard to show on camera, but I can kind of tell, like you can see if the products are mixing well or not. I'll give it like another hour or two to dry and see how it turns out. If it doesn't turn out good, I'm just gonna wash my hair in the sink and redo it with something different. Okay, trying to see if you guys can see it, but when products don't mix well, they kind of leave this weird like white flaky cast, and that's kind of what I'm seeing. So I'll let it dry a little bit more and see if it turns out better dry. So I still need to finish laundry, but I'm gonna go ahead and start packing. I'm just taking this carry-on suitcase from American Tourister. I think I got this one from Target. We're only gonna be there from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, then leaving Monday. So really only 4 days. So not really gonna bring a whole lot with me, and we're just going to Kansas to visit some family. Okay, let's just start with t-shirts. So I'm gonna bring like one just casual t-shirt and then 2 bigger t-shirts to sleep in. Might grab one more. I feel like I don't want to bring black because it's so hot. Okay, 4 t-shirts. I'm gonna bring a pair of denim shorts. I'm gonna bring just a couple of my biker shorts. I might actually run maybe once, so I'm gonna bring 3 pairs of those. And then these are my favorite, these plain tank bodysuits from Shein. So I'm gonna do the brown, and then let's see, probably the black one. And a black one. I was thinking about bringing jeans. I don't know if I'll wear them. I'll bring 1 pair of jeans just in case. These are just some ripped jeans from American Eagle. And let me bring one like kind of cute top in case I go out to a bar with my cousins. This is just, oh, not that one. Just like a casual little black tank. And I'll bring, let me just bring, in case I go running, we'll just do purple top. And just because I am indecisive, I will bring 1 more tank bodysuit just in case. Just in case we go swimming, I'm just gonna bring 1 swimsuit with me. Should be good. I'll also do this t-shirt dress that has this cute side cutout. Will I actually wear it? I don't know, but just in case, we'll throw that in the mix as well. Okay, shorts. We'll throw in a pair of black shorts, shorts to sleep in, and 1 more. I'll take like 1, 2, 3, probably like 5 pairs of socks. And then for a 4-night trip, I'm probably gonna get like 7 or 8 pairs of underwear. These are all the toiletries that I'm bringing. My mouthwash, of course, my toothbrush and toothpaste. I like to have cleansing wipes because it is like a 7-hour drive, so I'll keep these on me in the car. Q-tips, floss, my daily SPF, some moisturizer, hair clip, face wash. This is a serum that I put in my hair morning and night. Perfume, and then these are the same hair products that I did my hair with earlier. Some moisturizer, and then I like to use these both. This one to kind of even out my under armpits, but I do prefer a spray deodorant. So that's pretty much all I'm bringing. I also will probably bring my razor. I'm gonna travel as light as possible. Also going to pack just a bit of makeup, my Rare Beauty blush, and I use the shade Love. Some mascara, this is my favorite from Ilia, and then this is the brush I use for my blush, and an eyebrow pencil. I'm going to take a quick break from packing, cleaning, doing all that stuff because me and my sister are actually going to a Stranger Things pop-up in Dallas. I'm super excited, and I'll insert some clips there. So we're gonna go ahead and head to that, and once I come back, I will finish my laundry and finish packing. I just got back from the Stranger Things pop-up, and it was cool, but honestly just a little bit underwhelming and kind of crowded, and it was like mostly just a walkthrough gift shop. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish packing because I'm really tired. It's already like 6 o'clock, so I'm gonna finish packing so I can go to sleep and wake up really early tomorrow. Okay, so this side has all of my clothes, and then I'm gonna just strap these together. Over here, I'm bringing my Columbia fanny pack, a little purse, and then this is where I will put my toiletries in the morning and also my shoes. So for shoes, all I'm bringing, gonna bring these sandals, my running shoes, because I'm gonna try to run maybe at least once while I'm there, and then probably just these Adidas I'll wear on the drive there. And then also I'm gonna bring my purse with me that I'll keep in the car, and in here that goes in the purse I put my face wipes, my Trader Joe's SPF, hair clip, and my moisturizer. And then in here I'm also gonna put my laptop so I can edit videos, and I'm gonna bring the current book that I'm reading, which is Regretting You by Colleen Hoover. I might actually bring another book too. So I'm on this one right now, but my next book that I'm gonna read, I'll also bring this one, The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. So my apartment is all basically clean. I swept, mopped, did everything. I just have a couple of dishes left, and then I'm also going to take out my trash and leave it out tonight. I'm still finishing laundry, but I'm finishing up. My sheets are clean, pillowcases, my blanket is finishing, and then my bathroom is basically clean except for this toiletry bag that I'm going to bring. Okay, so gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I'm super tired. I'm probably waking up at like 4 in the morning, maybe like 4:30, so I'm gonna rest tonight. Everything's packed, everything's clean, and I love leaving on a trip to a nice clean apartment so that when I get back, everything is nice and clean and orderly. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!